So, good afternoon to everybody. Welcome to the ninth fnip webinar. And I'm Francesco Lorenzi. I'm a postdoctoral researcher at the Department of Information Engineering. I'm working in nonlinear optics, in particular nonlinear fiber optics. But I also have interest in ultra-cold quantum gases, the topic of my PhD here at the Department of Physics. Together with me, the organizers of this session are Dr. Andrea Vogliardi, here beside me, who is a postdoc researcher at the Department of Physics. He's working on optical metasurfaces, generating and manipulating structured light for telecommunications, microscopy, and quantum applications. And also, Professor Nicoletta Ploteguer, who is an associate professor of biophysics and physiology at the Department of Biology. So she is studying the molecular mechanisms of neurodegeneration using a multidisciplinary approach. And we welcome you to the webinar. So I just want to spend a few minutes describing the initiative. The initiative is a multidisciplinary initiative made of 3 topics, and the 3 topics span from let's say more traditional optical technologies to their applications, and also to the software tools that are of interest to connect these 2 specific physical systems and biological systems. And the session of today, as you probably know, is dedicated to the topic number 3. So we will speak about open source software tools for classical and quantum optics. But before starting, just want to give you an overview of who we are as an organizing committee. As the initiative is very multidisciplinary, we are scattered around a lot of different departments and institutions at the University of Padua. So you see Claudia Cecchetto from the Department of Biomedical Sciences, it's Mariotti from the CNR, Neuroscience, here in Padua. And also at the Department of Physics and Astronomy, besides Andrea Vogliardi, who I already introduced, there is Anna Archetti and Gianluca Ruffato. And of course, also the Department of Biology is with Nicoletta Ploteguer, and I'm in the Department of Information Engineering, as I said. Also outside the University of Padua, we have some collaborators, some co-organizers. Matteo Bruzzone at the University of Fribourg, and Marco Brondi at the CNR of Pisa. And maybe some others in the future. We are open to extend the collaboration network. Other supporters are around Europe, so we want to thank their support of the past. And also, let's say, we invited speakers from all around the world, at least this slice of the world, and we are happy today to add some points in this map. So our initiative continues to update, and you can stay updated with the next webinars that we are organizing at the website that you see in the screen with the QR. Also, we are organizing a day, a conference in presence here in Padua for next year. And if you're interested, of course, we are updating the websites with our ambitious program. As I was saying before, we are looking for new collaborators, new ideas, and if you want to join as a speaker or as an organizer or a supporter of the initiative, feel free to contact us. turning to this session content. This session, as I said, is about open source tools for classical and quantum optics. We will start very soon with a presentation by Dr. Florian Gebauer from the University of Latvia in Riga. And he is gonna tell us something about how to simulate the light-matter interaction with alkali metal atoms, with vapors, which you may know that leads to optical block equations that may be interesting also for application in magnetometry and etc. Later on, we have a talk about let's say a more extreme kind of optics by Professor Niklas Karpowicz from the Max Planck Institute in Germany, in Garching. And the talk will be about simulation of pretty general conditions in which light can propagate, and let's say including nonlinear interactions. And finally, we have a contribution by Professor Paul Erhardt from Chalmers in Sweden, in Göteborg, and he will tell us some new techniques which may be useful, which are useful to estimate Raman and infrared spectra, starting from molecular dynamics with an addition of machine learning techniques. As a technical reminder, the webinar will be recorded and uploaded in our initiative page, and the timeline is the one that you see on the left. If you, during the talks, you want to pose a question, feel free to write your question in the question and answer button, and we will, at the end of each talk, review the questions and ask a few of them. We have a 5 minutes question time at the end of each talk. So at the end, the very end of the 3 talks, we will stay together here if you want, and speak about what we learn. And so in that situation, you feel free to ask directly the questions, raising the hand in the button of your Zoom platform. So, do you have any questions about the webinar?